Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying essentials. Check your iPad model and iOS version because gestures differ by device. Next, open Settings and make sure Control Center access is enabled for lock screen and apps. Once done, disable guided access if active, since it blocks gestures. Restarting helps. Press and hold the top button plus volume until the slider appears, then slide to power off. This combination prevents wasting time on minor causes and gets you into the deeper fixes quickly. Now dive into the core fixes. Toggle Control Center off and on in Settings Control Center. That refreshes the system preference. If that fails, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPad and choose Reset All Settings. This preserves data but clears settings that can block gestures. Make sure you back up to iCloud or Finder first, because resets change Wi-Fi and other settings. Once the reset completes, test the swipe gesture again before moving to more invasive steps. Finish by installing any pending iPad OS updates. Apple often fixes gesture bugs in minor releases. If updates don't help, perform a full restore using Finder or iTunes from your backup. This rebuilds the system software. After restoring, test Control Center before restoring all data. If Control Center still won't appear, try one troubleshooting tip. Create a new user profile or a fresh setup in initial setup. If that works, the issue is software profile related. Otherwise, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.